Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's very early right now, but I have to wake up early because I have an appointment to do my tapings. So I'm not in Toronto, I'm in Montreal, so I had to make a hair appointment to do my tapings. So this video is sponsored by Berrysfashion hair company, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys like the tapings that they sent to me. So they sent me 4 bundles of tapings. This is how the thing came. They sent some replacement tapes, so you can actually like, I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but yeah, you could actually like replace the tapes if you need to. Then this is how the bundles came. So they sent me 4 bundles for they said it's 28 inches, but I'm just gonna take one out the pack so you guys can see it. So this is how the bundles are looking. When you stretch it, it's giving 28 inches, but when it's just there like that, it's not really, no. But you have to stretch it, and that's how you get the 28 inches. Nowadays, this is how the companies are measuring your hair. Like, they tell you the true length is when you stretch it. I don't know how I feel about that, but okay. So this is how the hair looks, and they sent to me, it's 4 bundles, but I think in each is 20 pieces. So you know how when you're doing tape-ins, you close them together, so 2 different pieces go together. So I think this is 20, 20, 20, and 20. So yeah. What else do I have to say? What else do I have to say? I don't think I have anything else to say, but thank you Berrysfashion for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys when I'm actually doing my hair.
It's my regular, I'm talking, takes for better. spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe your love is so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on.
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, tryna get me off my Q's and P's. Why can't losers never lose a piece? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the tapings will be down in the description box. If you guys want to purchase it, then check that out down in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Also, thank you Berrysfashion here for sponsoring this video. Loved it. Came out cute, like makes me look like an Indian type of, you know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.